Hello all, I'm going to teach you today how to change your pressure on your CPAP machine. Now this should only be done if a doctor tells you to do this. Um, Again, only do this if a doctor tells you to. Okay, so you're prescribed your pressure for a reason, but sometimes if you call in and the doctor tells you to go a little bit lower, this is exactly what you do. So you take your system over here to where it's highlighting setup, and then you're going to hold these two buttons until you hear a series of beeps. Okay, once you hit those beeps, you're going to get into the real setup menu, and you go back into setup. So you'll see it's a lot different than what it was before, and CPAP pressure is what you're going to want to do. Okay, so enter on that, and then you can change all the way up in half increments up to, I believe, past 11, 10, and things like that. But for me, I was prescribed an 8, but they said elevation, from where I moved, is that I probably needed to go down to a 4.5 to a 5. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to a 5. So again, I had doctor's permission to do so. Don't do anything without your doctor's permission. Okay, but as you see, there's so many different things that you can change. So you got like ramp starts to where it'll start blowing at a 4, and then it go a little bit faster from there. So you can only do a 4 to a 5 to where it starts. I like to start off low. So the ramp time is how much time it takes for you to get to your pressure. So you can change that as needed. So from there, only change the rest of these settings if your doctor tells you to. But from there, that's all you have to do. And then after that, all you have to do is you go back to exit, and you're done, and you're back to the same old menu where you don't see anything to do with your pressure. Okay, so again, that's how you change that on a System 1 REMstar Auto A-Flex Phillips Respironics sleep machine. Alright, I hope this helped you out, and have a good day.